Hi and welcome to my Arduino video of my supercapacitor charger that I've made. We've got a lamp that I use for discharging, obviously an LCD, it's an I2C LCD, a charging circuit there which is a power resistor, 10 watt resistor there. We've got a PNP transistor on the heatsink and a little NPN which is attached to the Arduino. You've got two 25 farad supercapacitors there, a little potentiometer I've wired in for adjusting the contrast of the LCD screen. There's behind that is a 3-colour LED which I use to show the different modes if we're charging or discharging. So basically I'll just run you through it quickly. If you look at the minute, that's showing 1.54 volts on the supercapacitors. So if I press my little button, I've programmed 5 modes for it. That says charge to 2 volts. Hopefully you can see that. Green LED's on. It shouldn't take long at all because they're only little supercapacitors, but yeah, we're up there. The light's flicking on and off as the transistor turns on and off. Right, and we'll hit it again, and that says charge to 3 volts. You can see we're drawing just over half an amp through my power supply there. Back to that. See how quickly the LCD refreshes. It's much faster than the general LCD that I was using, an ordinary 16:2. I couldn't get it to refresh fast enough without putting like a delay in, so I didn't really want to have too many delays because it would stop this button functioning when you press it. So now we're on to charge to 4 volts. We're going up again, we're at 3.3 volts, 3.4, 3.5 volts. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with this circuit. I've got a couple of larger supercapacitors that I was using, but for this demonstration I've changed to these smaller ones because it was taking about 15 minutes to charge them all the way up. I will hit it again, I'll go up to 5 volts. I mean, the voltage divider that I've got set up and the programming I used is not entirely accurate, so that's why there's a discrepancy with what the screen actually says and what's actually charged onto the capacitors. It's not far out, but it's close enough. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this, and it's just basically I made this up to show someone I've been talking to, a guy called Michael in America. We were talking about displays and he hadn't used one like this, so I thought I'd make this up and show him. So I had this made up before, but like all Arduino projects, they get taken apart. Right, we're discharging now. See the red light on, got the lamp on where it's drawing the current out of the capacitors. That's switched using a little there's another NPN transistor just in there. Basically switches the ground of that lamp, and we should be going down nicely, which we are. There we are. I hope you like that. Thanks very much for watching as usual, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thanks very much. Bye bye.